Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In this video we will see how you can integrate your chatbot with Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's get it started. Before we start, you will need a Communicate account for this video. If you don't have one yet, the registration link is in the description box below. You can register now for a 30-day free trial. Once you've done that, log into your Communicate dashboard. Here, from the side navigation panel, click on Integrations. Then from the Integrations page, click on Telegram Settings. Now you need to open Telegram and search for Botfather username, or you can directly click this link. It'll take you to this Botfather Telegram page. Here, just click Open in Web. Now from the top right corner, click Start. Then you simply need to click on New Bot to create a new bot. Once that is done, give a name for your bot. Then, it'll ask you to create a username, enter any name of your choice and send. Now you have created your Telegram bot. Just copy this API code and go back to Communicate dashboard. Paste your API code here and then click Save and Integrate. And done, you have successfully integrated Telegram with Communicate. Now go to Settings, click Conversations, then click Rules and make sure you have enabled this Assign New Conversations to Bot option. Select the bot you want to assign the conversations to, and now let's test our bot. Go back to Telegram and click this chat URL for your new bot. As you can see, the bot has presented us with a welcome message. We can send any message from Telegram and your chatbot will reply to it in real time. You can see all these messages in your Communicate dashboard as well. If you don't have a chatbot, you can easily create one using Communicate's powerful GUI bot builder tool, Compose. Let's see how you can do that. Log into your Communicate dashboard and click on Bot Integrations. Once the bot integration page is opened, you can directly click on Integrate Bot, or you can visit the Compose page. For this tutorial, let's click this Integrate Bot button. So on the very first step, you have an option to select any one of the pre-built templates for your chatbot. These templates comes with inbuilt relevant intents, which shall make your bot creation process so much easier. For now, let's build one from scratch, so we'll select a blank template. Next step is to give your bot a name. We'll call it Alex for this tutorial. Next, choose your bot avatar. You can either go with one of the default ones or upload your own. I think this one looks cool. Let's select this and move to the next step, which is to select a default language for your bot. You can select any language from this list. We'll go with English for now. After that, just click Save and Proceed. Now, believe it or not, you are done creating your chatbot. This final step allows you to enable bot to human handoff feature. Your bot can transfer the conversation to a human team member when it is unable to recognize any user query. So let's enable this awesome feature and click Finish Bot Setup. From the next page, you can set your bot to handle all incoming conversation from now on. Let's click I'll set it up later. After that, you'll land on the Compose page. From here, you can create various intents for your chatbot. Whenever your bot receives a query, it will try to match that with an intent and answer it. Once a query matches an intent, the bot will reply in real time, instantly. So, as we can see, there are some pre-built intents. First is default welcome intent. This intent is what your users will see when they start their conversation with your bot, for the very first time. So under bot's message text field, type any custom message you want your users to see. For example, we can write, "Welcome, how may I help you?" Once you've typed your message, click Save Changes. There is a preview window on the right side where you can see how your chatbot is shaping up. You can also click this test button to open a test web page from where you will get a better idea of how your chatbot will work. We'll show that as well in the later part of this video, but first, let's talk about other intent sections. Let's click Answer. Here you can give your intent a name, such as pricing. Then, under Configure User's Message, enter queries which you expect your users or website visitors to ask, such as, tell me about various plan pricings. You can use this Add button to add multiple queries for which you want the same answer. Now, under Configure Bot's Reply, enter the answer to those queries. Once that is done, click Save Changes. You can not only create text answers, but other rich messages like buttons, image, and custom payloads as well. If you are interested in creating rich messages, link to that video is in the description box below. So, once you are done configuring your intent, again, click Save Changes. The next is Small Talk section where you can set up small talk messages such as hi, hello, good morning, etc. Your chatbot already comes with few inbuilt ones, but you can always add more by clicking the Add button. For example, if a user says, say about you, the bot will reply with, I'm a virtual agent. Now, the next section is unknown user input. This is the message which chatbot will show to the user when it is unable to match the query with any available intents. In such cases, if the bot-to-human handoff feature is enabled, your chatbot will transfer the conversation to any available human agents. So in that case, you can simply put, your query is being transferred to a human agent. Now again, click Save Changes once you are done with your custom message. Now, let's test our chatbot using this test button. After that, you'll see this page. From here you can easily test your newly created chatbot. As we can see, the bot shows the welcome message which we created. Now, if you remember, we created this query, tell me about various plan pricings. Even if the user's query doesn't match this intent exactly, your Compose bot uses advanced NLP engine to learn to answer similar queries automatically. So even if you type plan pricing, it will trigger the same intent. As you can see bot's response, pricing here, which was actually the answer for this query, tell me about various plan pricings. But the chatbot has replied with the answer even when the query was not exactly the same. That's so cool. Right? So guys, that is it for this video. Have fun creating your first chatbot, and see you in the next one.